Welcome to WC Online, the scheduling tool for the Writing Center and course tutoring. Students can easily view the semester's schedule and proceed to make, modify, and cancel appointments with their individual WC Online accounts. All students have access to WC Online with their LMU credentials. The link to WC Online is located on your My LMU homepage. You'll find the link to the schedule for writing and course tutoring under the Academics tab. After clicking the link, you will be invited to register your account. Simply fill in the required information, including your preferred method for receiving appointment reminders. The Writing Center schedule will be the first thing you see when you sign in to WC Online. The course tutoring schedules can be accessed through the drop-down menu. From each schedule, you can access the entire semester's availability 1 week at a time. If you would like to view upcoming dates on the schedule, click Next Week or the calendar icon. White boxes indicate available sessions. Blue boxes indicate sessions booked by other students. Yellow boxes indicate your scheduled appointments. While the Writing Center hosts one-on-one sessions, course tutoring happens in groups, so more than one student can sign up for a single time slot. Once you decide on a date and time, click the white box to complete the appointment form. In this form, you can view the tutor's information and specialties to help you find the consultant who will be the best fit. You can also select the length of your appointment. If you make an online appointment, we recommend scheduling a 1-hour session. When finished, click Create Appointment, and you will receive a confirmation email. If you need to cancel an appointment, please do so at least 15 minutes prior to the appointment's start time so that the session is made available for other students. To cancel your appointment, simply confirm the cancellation. If you can't find an open appointment with a writing tutor, you can join the waiting list. Choose a specific consultant and your availability, and you will be notified if openings become available within the parameters you set. If you schedule an online appointment with the Writing Center, open your yellow appointment in the schedule and click Start or Join an Online Consultation. Online sessions are synchronous, meaning you and your tutor will meet at the same time in a digital space where you collaborate on your writing project. For course tutoring, online tutoring groups are hosted on Zoom. Students can find the tutor's Zoom links in the appointment forms and can click this link to join the group Zoom sessions. If you have any questions about WC Online, please reach out to the ARC. We look forward to working with you.